Right. Microphone, where's it gonna go? Do what the professionals do. Can you see the engine? I don't know if you can. And Phoebe's back. It's me again. Sorry, I got distracted there. You're recording. I'm guessing you're recording. You better be recording. Right, well, we're wasting a lot of time here. We are going to strip it down and rebuild it. Nope, we're not. We did a little do. Bum, 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 bum. Get that light off. Get that light off. We don't need no light. We cracked it. Marvel mystery. It's a mystery.